Hi, my name's Dexter. Today we're going to do a quick video to really emphasize how to put on the pedals on our exercise bikes. This is true for all bikes. We really want to emphasize that this left pedal is going to go on counterclockwise. If you turn it clockwise, you're going to sit in thread for a long time. So make sure you're going counterclockwise this way. Once you get it hand tightened on, you can use an adjustable wrench to finish the tightening. The right pedal will be normal clockwise. So the left pedal is counterclockwise, the right pedal is clockwise. Thank you for joining us.